With the rise of divorce rates, prenups are becoming increasingly more common these days. A prenuptial agreement, or a prenup for short, is a contract signed by two people before getting married to set out how their properties, businesses, assets, and debts will be divided during the marriage or in divorce. In Oklahoma, it's also known as an antenuptial agreement. In this video, we'll cover what Oklahoma law has to say about prenups, what prenups can and cannot include, and how to draft one that will stand up in court. Make sure that you watch to the end of this video to grab a template for an Oklahoma prenuptial agreement. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of official legal documents. Let's look for a moment at what Oklahoma law says about prenups. Oklahoma is among the states that have not adopted the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, which establishes standard requirements for prenups. That means that Oklahoma state law dictates its own terms with regard to prenups. According to the law, a prenup must be in writing and signed by both parties before the marriage in order to be legally valid. The agreement takes effect only if the couple marries. Unlike most other states, Oklahoma law does not permit modifications to the prenup after marriage. So what can and cannot be included in an Oklahoma prenuptial agreement? A prenup in Oklahoma can cover a variety of different issues, including the rights and obligations to property, a family business or an inheritance, the terms of alimony, death benefits from life insurance, and more. Child custody or child support, however, is not allowed to be included in a prenup under Oklahoma law. Instead, courts reserve the right to determine child custody based on what's in the child's best interest at the time of the parent's separation. Next, let's go over how you can draft a prenup that will stand up in court. In Oklahoma, prenuptial agreements are typically upheld if the court decides that the agreement is reasonably fair, each spouse signed the agreement voluntarily, all assets and liabilities were disclosed, each spouse has a generally accurate picture of each other's finances, and lastly, the terms of the agreement don't promote divorce. You can get an agreement that will be accepted by an Oklahoma court at the link right here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can access more videos that guide you through some of life's most complicated and potentially costly situations.